How do I update my Aguri DX1000? To update your Aguri DX1000 device, follow these steps. 1. Connect your Aguri DX1000 device to your computer using the provided USB cable. 2. Visit the Aguri website or the official support page to download the latest firmware update for your DX1000 model. 3. Make sure the computer is turned on and running. 4. Once the firmware update file is downloaded, locate it on your computer. 5. Copy the firmware update file to the root directory of a USB flash drive. 6. Ensure that the file is not placed inside any folders on the USB drive. 7. Safely disconnect the USB flash drive from your computer. 8. Safely disconnect the Aguri DX1000 device from your computer as well. 9. Turn on your Aguri DX1000 device. 10. Insert the USB flash drive containing the firmware update file into the USB port of the DX1000 device. 11. Access the settings menu on the DX1000 device. 12. Look for an option related to system updates or firmware updates within the settings menu. 13. Select the option to initiate the firmware update. 14. Follow any on-screen prompts or instructions that appear during the update process. 15. Once the update is complete, remove the USB flash drive from the DX1000 device and verify the update by checking the System Information or Settings menu. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully update your Aguri DX1000 device to the latest firmware version. If you encounter any issues during the update process, contact support for assistance. Link in description box.